Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. And today I'm just going to share a really quick, simple salad. It's a cranberry apple salad. This goes great for the holidays with all your turkey and other stuff, but honestly, when it comes in this time of year, I love fresh cranberries, I love apples, and it's a great salad. This one is really simple, not that many ingredients to it. You can whip it up in just a few minutes, and you have a nice salad to take along for potlucks and stuff this time of year, or to serve as a side dish with your dinners. This is a bag of cranberries, a couple of Macintosh apples. You can use, I just have Macintosh apples for this because I have them here for the baking. But if you want, I would use a crispier apple, even like Delicious or a Honey Crisp, if you're gonna keep the salad around for any time, because they stay crispy longer. And some walnuts. So cranberries, apples, walnuts, and some sugar. And we're gonna put it together. First go in the apples. They're just peeled and cored. And then the bag of cranberries. And the bag of washed cranberries. That's the other thing about this too. It's a really pretty salad, especially for the holidays. I think it's pretty anytime, but I love that pop of color for the holidays. Bunch. Before I put the last bunch in, I'm also going to put probably about half a cup to a cup of walnuts here. And I'm going to throw those in and them in and chopped up. My mom always made this, and she did not put nuts in, but my father couldn't have nuts, so that was the main reason why. I like it with nuts. There's a lot of different ways to make this. Some people use Jello in it. Some people add pineapple juice or orange juice or brown sugar instead of white sugar. It all depends on what you like. I just make it the way I grew up with it. I think most of us like it, like what we tend to gravitate to what we grew up with and like, and that's the case for me. It's how Mom always made it, except for with the nuts. And I like it like that. Not that I don't like those other salads, they're good too. But I really like it like this. Salads don't have to have 50 million ingredients to be good. Sometimes keeping it simple is good. So, this is what it looks like. I'm going to mix this around a little bit. And yeah, just get in there with my hands. I mean, they're clean. It's just easier. Get it all incorporated. And I like this ratio of apple to cranberry just because it's not quite so tart, but it's not overly sweet. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of sugar. I don't add a lot of sugar. I like my stuff more on the tart side. But I'll probably add maybe a third of a cup for all of that. And then I'm going to mix this up. Just get the sugar worked in. And if you want, I'm going to be taking this actually away for dinner for tomorrow. And I'm going to add just a little bit of lemon juice because it works as a nice preservative with the apples. So just a squirt or two. I'm just going to mix it up like that. I'm going to let it sit a little while so the sugar has time to go in and work, and then I'll give it a taste test. So here's the salad all done. I let it sit for a while so I can let the sugar go through, and as you can see, it makes a really pretty salad. Very festive, but it's actually really good for you. You know, you can always use a sugar substitute, honey, or another type of natural sweetener if you want to you know, stay away from the sugar, but it's still overall a good healthy option. So you know what comes next. The taste test. And you can see what a pretty salad that is. And I like it, like I said, with the nuts. Dad couldn't have nuts, so Mom used to make it without, but so good. It's so fresh, tangy, sweetness of the apples. Just a really good, bright, yummy salad. So that is my cranberry apple salad with walnuts. And like I said, it's an easy dish to make. It always tastes better if you let it sit overnight. Let the flavors go through it. But it's not bad as long as you at least give it a good half an hour to sit. Keep it chilled. It's delicious. So I hope you enjoyed my apple cranberry salad. If you liked what you saw, like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.